Okay, let's start. What is actually the best strategy to trade with? Do you have a strategy that can work almost all the time? Okay, I won't say yes actually, but I think this strategy can help you a lot. All right, so the first thing you have to do is to change your chart setting to the daily time frame. Don't use 4 hour, don't use 1 hour, don't use 30 minutes. Okay, sometimes I use the weekly time frame, so let's change it to the weekly time frame and let's look at how the chart is going to be like. So this is actually the weekly time frame, and you can see that price is actually making higher high, higher low. So it means that actually here we are actually bullish. Okay, so we can see higher high here, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so now this the price is trying to also move up, and then if it's to move up and then the bullish trend is going to continue, it means I need to rise above this higher high, so it will make higher high and maybe higher low, and then it keep on going that direction. All right, so this one is telling us that actually the probability of Solana moving outside upside is very high. Okay, so or the probability of it being bullish is very high. Or one thing that can also help you to determine the direction is to apply the moving average, and I use the 200 moving average to show me the direction. So let's apply that one too. Because this is the weekly time frame, is difficult for the moving average to appear here, so we can change it to the daily time frame and see it. So what I can see here is that Solana is actually bullish. It's actually because this was the higher low. Okay, this was the higher high, and this is now the higher high, and we have the higher low here. Because this low, okay, this higher low has not been broken, we see Solana still to be in the bullish direction. Okay, so that's one thing. Now let's change the chart setting to daily and let's see what's going to happen. So daily, if you don't take it, you say that down, this is bearish, because you can see that the price is this way, the price is going this way, going this way, going this way, going this way, going this way. You might be challenged to say that no, this price action is actually bearish, but the weekly gave us something different. Okay, the weekly gave us a bullish direction. So now what are you going to do? Are you going to go with the weekly or going with the daily? Okay, all the time the higher time frame is more important than the lower time frame. So if the weekly is telling me that it's bullish, it's actually bullish. Okay, so now the daily is giving something power. One thing we have to know here is that here the daily time frame, we can see that the price is at this point. Okay, the price first rose to that point and then it was pushed down, so that tells us that there's what a strong resistance at that particular area. So the price is moving to that direction again. Technically it's telling us that the price, the probability of it coming down is very high, but we can't say that price is going to fall, so we're going to sell at that point. Okay, because the weekly is actually giving us a bullish direction there. So what we have to do is to wait for the lower time frame to align with the higher time frame before you can buy or sell. Okay, so what we can do here now, we can even move to the 4 hour time frame and also look at what's happening the 4 hour time frame. So let's go there and see 4 hour time frame. Then let's say that's going to align with the weekly and then the daily time frame. Okay, we are here and this is the 4 hour time frame. So let's look at what's happening here. The 4 time frame, you can see that price came down here. Okay, and then it moved up, came down, move up, came to this place, and then okay, let me come this way. All right, so price moved down here, came up, moved down, move up, came down, and then move up. What is this telling us? We can see that the price is actually ranging. Okay, we have a range bound market here. Okay, so what we can do is that we wait for a break. Okay, break and close, then we place a trade. Okay, if the price is able to break above this resistance, then we can place a buy and then put our stop loss here. Why? Because now the 4 hours is going to align with the weekly time frame. Are you okay? And then you place a buy, and that is actually going to be of good help, because you are actually not trading against the trend, but you are following the trend, or trading in direction of the trend, and that's going to help you a lot make money than losing money.